Hey, this is Tommy with So Easy Solutions, and let's talk about uploading a CSV to your social planner. It's actually really simple, but it's easy to get tripped up. Totally easy to get tripped up. And this little secret, this little tip is going to just rock this out. Okay, so you want to schedule, you want to upload a CSV, you want to download the sample CSV file. Okay, so we have a CSV file that's populated. And the big issue is this date column here. Okay, here's how you rock this out. Select the whole column, go over here to General, More Date Formats, and then hit Custom. Now up here in the type, you're going to copy and paste this YYY-MM-DD- space HH colon da. You're going to copy that right there. Okay, so now everything turns into that format. We're going to do a little save action. Bam. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to upload it. We'll drag and drop. Okay, it's going to come here. What account are we going to go to? We're going to go to this one. Perfect. Let's process CSV. Okay, so now it says review and schedule. See, now all our times are in place. Bam, 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 bam. And then what we can do is we can just go up here and click import post, and they're all going to go import into our calendar. So the secret sauce is in our Excel spreadsheet here. Copying this YYYY, copy that right there. Select our date column, General, More Formats, Custom, paste that in there. Bam. Save, done and dusted. Now you'll have to do that with each CSV file, but once it's done for this CSV file, it's perfect. If you need more help, this is Tommy with So Easy Solutions. Thank you very kindly. Have a great day.